Hello Bitcoin BTC coin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another latest update video about BTC Bitcoin price update. Bitcoin are now pumping in 32,000 US dollar. That's the current price. That's unbelievable, guys. That's unbelievable. $2,000 the price pumped today, guys. Cardano are going to make a huge move. Wow, unbelievable. And I'm sure, guys, that it will hit $35,000. $35,000 is my price target for a Bitcoin, guys. Very soon, it's not a biggest target for Bitcoin, guys. $35 possibility that it are going to hit $45,000. But you should have to hold. Just hold for 1 year, guys. I'm sure that at the last of 2022 Bitcoin price will be more than 43 US dollar, 43,000 US dollar to the last of 2022, guys. So very congratulations to all Bitcoin holders, because for today pump 4.46% Bitcoin price increase in last 24 hours, 4%. It's unbelievable, guys. And still, guys, you can see you're in the currently condition, it is in a pumping mode, guys. Last 24 hours, last 1 hour, and last 7 days changes, these all changes of Bitcoin is positive, guys. So guys, what's your opinion, what's your prediction for BTC? Please share in the comment box. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest news and update videos.